All right, let's see what we have here. CRW Community Gardens. This looks like tomato plants. There's a basil there. Yeah. Ooh, salad looks good. Not bad, not bad. Another tomato plant. This almost looks like corn. I'm not sure. Can't tell. All right, let's go this way. This could be garlic because I have garlic and it looks just like that, but not 100% sure. Some more garlic, could also be onions, I guess. Even more. All right, let's walk this way. Another tomato plant. I guess people love the Jersey tomatoes, huh? Right, let's go this way. Some composting. I don't know what this is. Flowers, maybe. Oh, they have chickens here? Huh. Interesting. All right, let's see anything in the back. No, that's it. Let's take a look at those chickens again. All right, and then you get some woods here. There's a golf course there. All right, that's it for today. See you next time.